Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since it's Black History Month, I thought it was just the ideal time to get creative and just do something out of the box. So here is my inspo. Bam! So I'm going to be making this beautiful lady, this beautiful queen, and I'm going to make her hair out of balloons. And then I am going to make a little bit of a body. Not really a body, but like a shirt or a dress, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I believe the piece of plywood is 4 by 6.5, and I know it's 6.5 because I cut these sticks right here 6 feet, so this gotta be 6.5. And I'm not gonna be cutting it, I'm just gonna leave it as is. This is not a backdrop for rental or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just leave it as is because I'm just gonna cover the top with balloons anyway. First thing I'm going to do is grab my plywood and draw the shape or the silhouette of my queen, and then I'm going to add the 2 sticks for a little bit of support. I almost forgot to show you my drawing of it. I seriously gotta take like an art class or something. I mean, I'm not that bad, but I'm not good. I mean, I'm alright. I'm alright. Me defiendo, as they say in Spanish. I get it done. And there she is, and I love her. Now I'm gonna go to the next step so I can move forward, obviously. Okay guys, so now I am going to outline with a black Sharpie. It's a paint marker, I should say. And then I am going to paint the lips in metallic red, bright red. And I'm thinking that I might use some of this red glitter. I'm not sure if it's gonna be overkill, but seems like a good idea right now. Not for cleaning up because this is small and you know it's a mess and it's gonna be on me for a whole month. Okay, so here she is outlined. It's not perfect, but it will work. Some of the imperfections are going to be covered by balloons, so I'm not worried about it. I even messed up a little bit on the lips with the outline, but it's gonna be covered by red paint, so it's gonna be all right. So here she is with the glitter. What do you guys think? I don't think it's that bad, but I did like the other tone. It'll work. I'm going to add a couple of thumbtacks to the back of the backdrop so I'm able to tie my balloons. So there goes one side. I just need the next one, but I'll wait till we get on location.